One of the most common problem people face on Android, Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. If you're seeing this message, don't worry, I will walk you through simple solution. Let's dive in. First thing first, restart your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi. This refresh your connection and often solve the issue right away. Another quick fix is to turn on airplane mode and keep for 15 to 10 seconds. This refresh your phone's network settings and can solve the issue. On your Android device, go to Wi-Fi settings, select the network you are connected and tap on forget. After that, reconnect to the same network by entering your Wi-Fi password. This can help clear up any issue with your phones and save connection. Change your device IP DHCP to static. Go to your Wi-Fi connection and select settings. Tap on advanced option, DHCP to static, and input your IP address. Please change the last digit only. Please type the same gateway. Please type the DNS1 and DNS2 as well, whatever you can see. And input the password. Tap on connect. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your phone's network settings. Go to settings, then system, and then tap reset option. Select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. This won't erase your data, but you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. It may ask you to provide your phone password. Finally, if any tips doesn't work, please call your ISP to ensure that your router has internet.